Hi Kipsters, today for independent ELA practice, we're going to be working on our daily reading logs. By the end of today's independent lesson, you will know how to complete a daily reading log for this year and complete your first daily reading log of the year. Now yesterday we talked a little bit about why reading is important in general, but today I want to highlight why it's specifically important for 7th grade. This is our 7th grade vision of excellence. It's in the front page of your binder. The real focus of 7th grade is earning your seat. 7th grade is the most important year of the middle school because your grades, attendance, test scores, and habits determine how many choices you'll have for high school. You've been preparing for this in 5th and 6th grade and have the potential to earn your seat at any high school you choose. So our goal for 7th grade is to make sure that you have the habits, that you are learning as much as possible, to have as many high school options as you can. So why read 30 minutes a day? That's because those 30 minutes a day really add up over the course of a year. Here you can see somebody who reads 30 minutes a day versus somebody who reads 10 minutes a day, the amount of words that they're exposed to increases a ton. And we know that reading, being exposed to a lot of words, has a ton of benefits, including increased vocabulary, expanded word knowledge, deepened empathy, and improved academic performance. In fact, when we look at kids who read about 20 minutes a day from a young age, they are likely to score better than 90% of their peers on standardized tests later. Now, this is talking about students who read that much over time, but when we're thinking about this year, we definitely want to make sure that we're all reading at least 30 minutes a day so that we're increasing the amount of words that we see, so that we're growing our brains and thus growing our test scores, all of those things that help us get into the best high schools possible when we apply in 8th grade. So now let's look at our daily reading log practice for today and see how that can help set us up for the year. Daily reading log practice that you're working on right now. Make sure that, since this is a CAMI document, you're paying attention to those toolboxes and highlighted directions to know what to use to fill out the form. You should have already read written what is your favorite book using the text box tool. I'm going to read our intro to new material together so that we're all on the same page. Each day you will complete a daily reading log to keep track of what you've read that day. Your daily reading log will have 2 important parts. First, describe your book, the title, author, number of pages, and genre. And second, tell about your reading, how many stories you've read, list the things that happen in the story. Every day you will have a daily reading log, and that will be a Google form that will be posted in ELA's Google Classroom. After watching this video, you're going to practice doing a sample one on this CAMI page. You will use this text to help you out. Notice how it has 2 pages here with the page numbers at the bottom, trying to look like an open book. You will use this text to answer these questions and then reflect on what you did. Then you'll also use that same text, which I've put on here for you twice, to answer the next set of questions. When you're done with all of that, you will read your own independent book for 30 minutes. I suggest putting on a timer, getting somewhere where you feel comfortable, and just getting lost in your book. Then you'll be able to click the comment that's here to go to your day 8 exit ticket, which is actually a first reading log. I'm going to show you a little bit about what that looks like. It'll look slightly different for you guys because I have the teacher view up. So this is your daily reading log. You should see something that looks like this. The first page is going to ask you for your information as a student, including which session you attend, if it's AM or PM, and who your learning coach is. So that's the person who you went to team time with, as well as who calls your family to give them updates. The next section, which will be the next page for you guys, is what book you're reading. This will likely not change every day because you'll probably be reading a book more than one day. This would only change every day if you're switching your book, reading 1 book per day. In it, you'll give all of the information about the book overall, including if it's a print book, are you holding the book and reading it in your hands, or if it's an ebook, are you reading it on a tablet, computer, something like that. And then the final section is what did you read today? This is where you record just the reading for that day. So for example, I might read pages 1 through 20 today and put that answer here. Tomorrow, I might read pages 21 through 40 and put those numbers there. Then I'm going to write a 3-sentence summary of the pages that I read. Here's an example from the book To Kill a Mockingbird. So you can use this example to think about how you might write your own summary. And then finally, you'll just tell us how you like the book so far. We're going to ask this every day so we get a sense of whether or not you're liking the book throughout the entire book. All right, Kipsters, that is it. Make sure that you're completing your CAMI assignment all the way through the end, clicking on your exit ticket, and then completing your first daily reading log after you read 30 minutes independently. As always, if you have any questions, please make sure that you're reaching out to me by calling me or texting me.